Welcome to the Namibia Oil and Gas podcast, your weekly gateway to the latest news and developments shaping Namibia's dynamic oil and gas sector. It's Friday, 20th February 2026, and I am Tanil Tokoses with the latest news, updates, and insights from the Namibia oil and gas industry. This week's top headlines. Basic maintenance welding training commenced in Swakopmund. Nasan Energy's nears final stages of 52 business expansion plan. Namibia's quest for energy diversification. Lion Oilfield Services strengthens local skills development.
The International Association of Drilling Contractors, IADC, will host the IADC Drilling Africa Conference and exhibition from 24th to 25th February 2026 at the Hilton Windhoek Hotel in Namibia. Organised by IADC, the event brings together drilling contractors, operators, regulators, technology leaders, and key stakeholders to address current and emerging priorities in Africa's oil and gas landscape. Under the focus of advancing operational excellence and industry readiness, the IADC Drilling Africa Conference will explore critical themes including local content, global and regional market outlook, bankable contracts for drilling contractors, AI and automation, well planning, well control, sustainability, leadership, and engaging the next generation workforce. This conference is designed to enhance collaboration across industry players while supporting Africa's evolving energy ambitions and competitiveness. Learn more or register at www.iadc.org. Be part of shaping the future of drilling and energy development in Africa.
Namibia's push for inclusive industrial growth took another step forward as a basic maintenance welding training officially launched in Swakopmund, following successful decentralization efforts in Omusati. This 5-day intensive program targets unemployed individuals and community members, equipping them with practical entry-level technical skills as Namibia prepares for expansion in oil and gas, green hydrogen, and related sectors. Initiatives like this aim to bridge skills gap and prepare Namibians for emerging opportunities. A key beneficiary is the Man on the Side of the Road Project Namibia, which supports unskilled and semi-skilled men seeking daily work through partnerships with sponsors including the German Embassy, Postcode Lottery Germany, and local industry stakeholders. With a comment on this, Alban Jacobs.
A new wave of technical empowerment has officially kicked off. This week, it's Swakopmund's turn. This follows the successful efforts in the Omusati region, a specialized basic maintenance welding training launched today, Monday, February 16, 2026. This same program was also offered at Chumas in the Hardap region. The 5-day intensive program is designed especially for unemployed community members. By providing fundamental technical skills, the initiative aims to bridge the gap as Namibia prepares for major industrial growth in the oil and gas and green hydrogen sectors. A standout partner in this effort is the Man on the Side of the Road project in Swakopmund. Christel Beekes, CEO of MSR, emphasized that for many participants, this course is a perfect start that provides the confidence to move from the sidelines into active roles in the local economy. This program is a collaborative international effort made possible by the Postcode Lottery, provided financial support for the program, the German Embassy, which provided equipment for the program, and we also had Intercultural Relations in Germany that supported us with financial support. Then, of course, we have Welding, the Namibian Welding Association, that provided us with assistance and support. Then we have GSI LSV Namibia, which is providing the trainers and the venue. This workshop is a testament to the power of outreach in bolstering local industries and supporting families.
The program reflects a growing commitment to grassroots empowerment, ensuring that industrial growth translates into real economic inclusion. Nasan Energies participated in a stakeholder engagement hosted by the Namibia Competition Commission regarding its proposed acquisition of the 52 businesses operated by Vivo Energy and Engine Namibia. Following a competitive evaluation process in 2025, Nasan was selected as a preferred bidder. The public engagement, attended by over 100 stakeholders, focused on maintaining competitive markets, protecting consumer wealth, and assessing the broader economic impact of the transaction. Of its new retail identity, implementation of SAP S/4 HANA cloud systems, the conclusion of key fuel supply negotiations. While concerns were raised around employment, supply security, and market power, the company reaffirmed its compliance commitment and transparency. A final decision is expected in the coming months as regulatory reviews continue. With a comment on this, Jean Balsay Olomo, Managing Director of Nasan Energies.
Since its last engagement with dealers in 2025, Nasan has achieved several significant milestones in advancing its retail and operational strategy. The company has finalized its new retail visual identity and commenced production of Nasan branded materials across its networks. In parallel, Nasan successfully implemented and completed the go-live of its new enterprise resource planning platform, SAP for HANA Cloud, strengthening its operational efficiency, financial controls, and reporting capabilities. In addition, Nasan has successfully concluded contract negotiations with its main fuel supplier, securing a key partnership to support the stability and growth of its retail operations. These developments mark important progress in Nasan's transformation journey and reinforce its commitment to build a strong, modern, and competitive network.
Namibia's energy strategy is increasingly defined by diversification. Offshore developments in the Orange Basin continue advancing towards investment decisions, while green hydrogen projects progress through engineering and financing phases. At the time, discussions around nuclear cooperation, including potential small modular reactors, signal long-term thinking around energy security and baseload stability. Rather than competing priorities, these tracks form a complementary strategy: hydrocarbons for near-term revenue, green hydrogen for long-term low-carbon exports, and nuclear as a future stabilizing force. This integrated approach will be central to discussions at the upcoming Namibia International Energy Conference, where stakeholders will examine how these sectors can collectively shape the country's energy future. Lion Oilfield Services has welcomed 3 new Namibian professionals as part of their commitment to local workforce development. The appointments span from administrative, workshop, and technical trainee roles, reflecting the company's investment in building domestic capabilities to support Namibia's growing offshore sector. Structured training and adherence to international safety standards remain central to Lion's approach. With the establishment of a valve and flange tightening training center in Walvis Bay, Lion is creating pathways for young Namibians to gain specialized, international recognized competencies. The company emphasizes that sustainable industry growth must be built on local participation, structured career development, and strong quality safety foundations. Thank you for listening to this week's episode of the Namibia Oil and Gas podcast. If you would like to contribute with news and information, please contact us at info@namibiaoilandgas.com. For more news, information, resources, and updates of the week, visit www.namibiaoilandgas.com. Join us next time as we continue to explore the top stories driving Namibia's energy future.